how you can extend the life of your hearing aids. Proper cleaning and proactive maintenance go a long way in extending the life of those electronic devices. Remember, hearing aids are small electronics that you wear in your ear with wax, oil, and debris. And if you're wearing them the recommended 90% of your waking hours, well, they're going to get a little dirty. It's important you're being proactive and cleaning them regularly. Ideally, you're dehumidifying them every night and you're brushing them every morning. Also, you should be getting them professionally maintained every 3 to 4 months. At our office, we have an active dehumidifier called the Redux, which removes all the moisture. We have a small suction tube so we can suction out the microphones and the speakers to keep them clean. We even replace certain parts like the wax trap, the dome, and the microphone covers. All of this is to ensure you're hearing at your very best and keep your devices working for the long haul. I'm Dr. Maria Morrison, audiologist. I am your expert in hearing healthcare. If you want more information on hearing healthcare topics, don't forget to like and follow.